Hi, got another unboxing video for you. Oh, and it is a Degustabox, and it's quite heavy this month. So this is what it looks like. This is how it arrives. It arrives by courier. They send you a text message and they give you a window of delivery. So if you're not able to be in and collect it, then you've got the option to leave it somewhere safe or to rearrange, which I like, really like. So if you're new to Degustabox and you haven't seen any of my videos before, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you have seen them before and you know all there is to know about what Degustabox is, then I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to just flick forward to actually seeing what I've got inside this box. All details about the subscription will be linked down below, including I've got a refer a friend code for £5 off your first box, and you get an added freebie as well. I can't remember exactly what that freebie is this month, but I will find out and I'll link it down below. So click on the show more, that'll bring up the description and it'll all be down there. So Degustabox, what is it? It is a food sort of snack monthly subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. So inside this box you get between 10 and 15 products, and every month it varies. They have a theme. It will tell me in the little leaflet what the theme is for this month, which I'll let you know, and it also gives you a breakdown about the cost and how much it all costs individually if you were to buy it. It always outweighs the cost of your actual box, which is what you want. But this subscription, it would be good if you like to try brand new up and coming products. They tend to have a lot of these in their boxes, and also they do have some oldies as well, some items that have been going on, you know, that have been in the shops for many years. They do have some alcoholic beverages and they have some sweet treats. Now it's not solely gluten-free or dairy-free or vegan, and unfortunately you can't specifically request those, but the box contents do contain a high percentage of either gluten-free or vegan or dairy-free products, but it's not guaranteed. The kids now know that this box comes once a month and it contains sweet treats. This box arrived yesterday. The kids, I didn't unbox it until obviously now, which is the next day. The kids are like, oh, I want the sweets, I want the sweets, my turn, it's my turn, fighting over sweets that they don't even know what's inside this box. So I said, look, I haven't even unboxed it yet, you're gonna have to wait. They weren't happy, but yeah. So they know now, so they know. Another thing I like about this box is that they have a Fab Refer a Friend deal. So say for instance, if 2 people use your Refer a Friend code, then you get a free box. So you can imagine, can't you, if you've got a few friends, if you post up your code on social media, on your Facebook page or whatever, and at least 2 of your friends decide, oh, I'll have a go, whether they keep on the subscription or not, you know, well, it doesn't matter. It's, if they use your code, they use it twice, you get a free box. So thanks to you lot, that's why my subscription is carrying on going, because a lot of you have used my code, and yeah, so I'm really grateful. So thank you for that, and I'm able to carry on doing these videos for you. So let's see what's inside the box. It's so heavy. It is really heavy. Oh. Right, so it's packaged really well. So you've got some paper, but also you've got some really big bubble wrapping there, if you can see. Just give you a quick look to show you what's inside there without tipping anything out. So in the leaflets we've got the main one, which tells you about this month's theme, which is Winter Warmer Box. It tells you all about the products that are inside the box. It tells you the price and the product of the month, which I'll tell you and I'll show you as we go along. So I'll pick an item up, show you, and then I'll refer back to this. So then we always have some leaflets, and they're usually like promo leaflets. Usually if there's up and coming products in the box, you'll have like a little promo leaflet telling you all about it. So we've got some ginger beer, maybe. We've got some lemon instant lift tea for upbeat drinks. So those are them. So let's see our first item, and it's a bottle of something, and this is a ginger beer. Ugh. So this is ginger beer presented by Supermalt, an authentic natural taste of ginger, and this is a full size 330ml bottle. I'm not that keen on ginger, but sometimes a ginger beer, a nice cold ginger beer, is quite nice. So yeah, look at my nail. Oh no, I shouldn't do that, should I? Sorry. It's my middle finger. If you've watched my previous videos, you might know that I'm trying to grow my nails. Well, no, I can't show that because I'll be... Alright, this finger here then, my middle finger, the nail popped off. Can you see? I used to have 3. I used to have all of them, but now just 2 left. Gutted. So I'm going to have to cut them down. But anyway, enough about my nails. What's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is £1.19. Ginger beer by Supermalt is made using real ginger extract and a delicate hint of lemongrass, ooh, to give it a truly refreshing drink with an encouraging fiery kick. Best served ice cold. Enjoy as full flavour soft drink or as a mixer for your favourite cocktails. So that's our first item. Oh, it's tea bags. Clipper tea bags. I love Clipper tea bags. I absolutely love them. So what's it say here? There's a free tea towel as well inside this pack. Oh my gosh, I love tea. I love tea. I need to open it. I need to see this tea towel. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice. It says Clipper Natural Thin, delicious, life's too short for bad tea. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it all, but that's that. Oh, I love that. Clipper Fair Trade Everyday Tea. The recommended retail price for this is £2.89. Our delicious Fair Trade tea is bright, big and bold, delivering a quality cup of tea you'll want to come back to again and again. All Clipper products are made with pure natural ingredients and a clear conscience. You'll also have a lovely Clipper Fair Trade tea towel included in your pack. So no, really happy with that. There's a lot of tea products going on in this box this month, so if you're not a tea lover, you might not like it, but yeah, I love it anyway. But look at this. I'm sure this has been going for years. It rings a bell. Lift, instant lemon flavoured tea. Make me hot or cold. Yeah, I've never tried it. I have never tried it. I have been, when I've been to Greece or whatever, I've tried like lemon tea, cold lemon tea, and it's okay. It's not my favourite, but no, I've never tried it in this country, and I've never tried this, but I'm sure this is quite an old brand. But I will give it a go. I absolutely love lemons, and I absolutely love tea. So I'll try it hot. Maybe I prefer it hot. So this is the product of the month, and it said our classic lemon flavoured tea is a favourite for many. Enjoyed hot or cold, this refreshing beverage excites the taste buds with a combination of sweet and citrus flavours. I recommend a retail price is £1.49. So no, quite excited to try that. I wonder what the rest of the family will make of that. So next we've got, what's this? Noodles? No, it's not. A shreddy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never seen these before. It's a Nestle Breakfast To Go. Includes milk and a spoon and a pot of shreddies. Oh my gosh. How handy is that? How handy. I'm just thinking, I don't know, if ever we go away for the weekend or we're on a long car journey or something like that. That is so handy. Oh gosh, right, so let's open it up a minute. So you've got your semi-skimmed milk in there, so you've got a little carton. You got your little pot of shreddies. So I'm assuming they come in lots of different sort of brands of cereal. Nestle do quite a few, but no, I like that. That's quite different, isn't it? So I'm not sure if that is new. I've never seen it before. I should read more clearly. New. It's up there. Right, so the recommended retail price for this is £1.99. A new all-in-one Nestle on-the-go solution coming with a portion of shreddy cereal and a carton of milk. Packed in a recyclable cup and a spoon, simply pour the milk on the cereal and you're ready to eat in seconds. So it doesn't say whether they do other ones, but we're a shreddy lover family here, so I know one of the kids are going to be happy with this. So no, quite different. I like that. Right, next, we've got a pouch of Heinz Creations Mexican beans chipotle. How do you say that? Chipotle style with chorizo. Transform tacos and brighten up burritos. Oh my word. High fibre, low fat, ready in 90 seconds. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. We eat a lot of like Mexican foods here. On a weekend we make tacos and we make fajitas and stuff. And yeah, the kids love them. And me. So what's this? So we got until next year. Don't know why, I just was drawn to the sell by date. It's June 2019. But no, and it gives you a bit of a recipe on the back how to make some tacos with this mixture. No, I like this. So what is this? This would cost you £1.75. The Heinz Creations range come in 4 delicious world flavours, Spanish, Italian and Mexican beans, as well as lentil curry. Perfect for taking to work for a quick lunch or as a tasty and speedy addition to your dinner. No, I really like that. So far, this month is good for me, so far. And this is that upbeat water in the leaflet we had. I didn't expect them to be this big actually, but we've got 2 of them here. Just give you a quick show. Oh, what is it? Enriched hydration for strength, energy and mental performance. Wake up, kick ass and repeat. High protein, no sugar, with vitamins and real fruit, suitable for vegetarians, and it's 500 mils each. So we've got one blueberry and raspberry, and we've got the other one, oh, summer lemon. Oh, no, summer lemon. I'm gonna have to try that now. Oh, I can't resist a citrus item. I can't. I am not sure. That tastes a bit funny. I'll try the other one. I'll have that one as well then. The kids won't have this. Funnily enough, I'm obsessed with lemons, but I prefer this one. This one has got quite a strange taste. I can't put my finger on it, but this one is gorgeous. Blueberry and raspberry. So it says, upbeat drink, spring water, enriched with protein and vitamins. So the recommended retail price for these are £1.59 each. Enriched hydration for strength, energy and mental performance. Zero sugar, low calorie and real fruit flavour. And it says you should receive 2 bottles in your box. So that's those items. Next, we've got a Kit Kat. Got a Kit Kat Chunky. We got one. Oh my gosh, salted caramel fudge. Salted caramel fudge. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love Kit Kats. We do get quite a bit of Kit Kats in this box. Thinking over the last couple of months, which, oh my god, tea and Kit Kats. I can't believe it. I love Kit Kats. But never tried this one. Don't block me out the picture there. Never tried this one before. Salted caramel fudge. That just sounds absolutely amazing, doesn't it? Introducing Kit Kat Chunky Salted Caramel Fudge, an exciting, indulgent, salty sweet taste sensation. Unwrap, snap off a chunk and enjoy the delicious smooth milk chocolate and crispy wafer with a caramel fudge flavoured topping or Kit Kat Chunky Salted Caramel Fudge. That was a bit outgoing, but no. Oh, I love that. That is mine. There's no sweets really for the kids, is there? So far, what have I got here? I've got a bar or something. Oh, they can have a health bar instead. This is a Get Fruity bar, and it's a moist mixed berry fruit and oat bar, no cane sugar, no artificial bits, gluten-free and vegan. That's what that looks like there. So the recommended retail price for this is 70p. Award-winning moist mixed berry bar made of real fruit and gluten-free whole grain oats, baked to perfection with absolutely no artificial ingredients, no added cane sugar, vegan, gluten-free and a good source of fibre. And it's a special promotion in Morrison's, £1.88 for a pack of 4 bars between the 25th of October to the 15th of November this year. We've got some Mexican food again, American food. What's this? Latin American kitchen. Now we've had a few items from this brand in the Degustabox before, and this is a Mexican spiced tomato sauce. Oh, and this is for vegetables, and it's vegetarian and vegan. Oh, that's nice, a nice cooking sauce. I wonder how hot and spicy it is. It says medium. No, lovely. So that will go handy in making one of the meals for us. So no, that'd be lovely. So it's a Santa Maria Latin American kitchen, Venezuelan coconut and lime sauce, or a Mexican spiced tomato sauce. So we'll get either one of those. The recommended retail price is £1.89, and it says for a delicious meal, ready in 15 minutes. Pour the sauce over your cooked meat, fish or vegetables for fantastic Latin American flavour. Santa Maria cooking sauces are vegan friendly and gluten free. So they're really happy with that. And then the last 2 items are together, and I think they're alcohol. Hold on. Jack Daniels, but Tennessee honey liquor. That's what they look like. 2 cans of Jack Daniels honey lemonade. Ooh, okay. Never seen anything like this. So Tennessee honey and lemonade, and the recommended retail price for these £2 each. It's a refreshing mix of Jack Daniels, Tennessee honey and zesty lemonade, a convenient, perfectly mixed drink for whenever you're on the go or staying in with friends. The ultimate summer cooler, enjoyed all year round. So no, I've never heard of Jack Daniels honey before, but no, that sounds really nice. Yeah, we've got some really nice things, some nice new items like that Shreddies duo set thing, and yeah, the kids aren't going to be that happy. But then sometimes, you know, we've had boxes where it's been inundated with sweet treats and chocolates and stuff, which is too much. So I think this is quite a happy mix really. There's some nice things here that I can't wait to try. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think that it goes well with the theme of being a winter warmer type box? But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos videos to come. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.